He's a pretty boy. A parrot. Yeah, he just came and landed. And this is the next eruption of Steamboat Geyser in Wyoming. You might remember, well, you probably don't, because you probably didn't see the video. In fact, I don't think hardly anyone did. I was making a video a couple of months ago, and I was just saying King Lake West equals 137, and 173 people died in that disaster. And as I was saying it, a bee came and landed on my finger. Melissa is on the hurricane name list this year, so you'd think, given that Melissa means honeybee, I'd be thinking that's going to be the bad one, given the bee thing, but no. I felt the bee was helping me make a prediction. Lorenzo, too, is helping me. Lorenzo's a helper in 2019, so is Melissa. No, the demon has the name of an angel. Gabrielle. Almost the name of an angel anyway. Gabrielle is an angel. Gabrielle, the female. So yeah, if Steamboat erupts tomorrow at 3:37 on the east coast, that'll be the time on the east coast, you know it's a sign for this. I'd say in a month from now. And there's a crow